over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Sharon.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Well, I've traveled from Zululand all the way to Scotland and to Antarctica just to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Now Sharon here, he is very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, don't say that.
Sharon,
Yeah.
how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so Lynn, this year I've seen about 1,000 birds. But ladies and gentlemen, I would like to break the record and see about 3,000 birds or even more, right?
Wow! Hashtag show off. Alright everyone, so let us begin our journey to meet some smart, powerful, truly incredible wingers. First up, South America.
Let's go.
Let's go. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Tambo Ata River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! You are probably one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to the Chuchu Pro Whaling, where hundreds of birds gather every day to link up eggs. Now this whaling is the largest of its kind in the world.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, coming up next, this is Adrian, and she is a Scarlet Patrol. Adrian will be joined by his best friend by the name of Ferrari. Here comes Ferrari, this way! Now these are the Scarlet Patrols. Patrols are giants of the parrot family, and they happen to have large, powerful beaks that allow them to eat unripe fruits. But the toxins in these fruits are not good for the bird, and by eating clay, it neutralizes the toxins. Amazing, right?
Yep, no upset tummy, so it looks like Adrian is taking Zeno. Okay, there he goes. Okay, so looks like they are enjoying their salty feast. Can we give them a big hand?
Okay, Jim, I would like to see more birds, so please don't stop moving. Fly with me to Southeast Asia, this way! Okay, stop. Alright.
Now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. Now Sharon, is that enough birds for you?
Not enough.
Not enough?
Not enough.
He always wants to see more. Okay, it's okay. So speaking of seeing more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park. Let's welcome the first one right here. Now with me here, this is Higgins, and Higgins is a green-winged macaw. Now green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the parrot family, and Higgins here is about 10 years old.
And joining me right now, this is Katie. Come on here, Katie. Now, Katie is a sulfur crested cockatoo. Cockatoos can only be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Cockatoos got the name sulfur crested cockatoo because of the yellow color on top of their heads.
Now parrots mate for life and make devoted parrots. So we take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this to build their nests.
And so ladies and gentlemen, to build their nest, they will use all these things that I have in the basket. Things like pine leaves, tree barks, and even branches and twigs. And that is exactly what's going to happen right now. These birds are going to put all these items in my hand into the nest hollow. Watch this. There's a rooster in the park? Wait, I'm a bit confused here. What are you pointing at? Lynn!
Yes.
That's the rooster.
No, Sharon. There's your rooster.
Lynn, these are the Amazonas.
Cheryl,
And
just watch and listen, okay? Quincy, can you show Cheryl how you do the rooster? See? I told you, right?
okay, fine, you win. Go ahead.
Now everyone, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. So before Quincy here, we make some sounds. Quincy, can you welcome us? Did you make what he said? He said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear this one more time. There you go. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Good job, Quincy. So you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. This time, can you see how about the cats? Oh, that was very fierce cat. Okay, Quincy, one more sound. How about the telephone? Very good, Quincy, amazing, everyone. Well done, Quincy.
Well, you see, parrots copy the sounds and the calls made by their family members out there in the forest. But Quincy copying human sounds, they're just doing what other parrots do in the wild. Right, Lynn?
That's right. So in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandan Star.
Yes, you got that right. Okay, now let's see what our buddy here can do. Hey buddy, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Okay. Tell everybody here, what's your name?
Amigo.
Huh? What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. Okay. Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? Oh, so sweet, right? Say how are you? Okay, now Amigo loves to sing, and one of his favorite songs happens to be a birthday song. By any chance, anybody here celebrating your birthday today? Put your hands up. You've got a birthday girl. Anybody here? One more birthday girl. 1, 2. A birthday boy finally. 4. Okay, 2 birthday boys and 2 birthday girls. This song is for you. Ready, amigo? Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Amazing, right?
Yep, but hold on everyone. Now Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get is a bird, like big joy.
Oh.
So look, bye. So please don't think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. And with that, can we give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrot?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, sadly, every year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being captured and sold in the pet trade. Amazon parrots can live up to 50 years. It is a lifetime commitment. And if you think that they will make great pets, guess what? They won't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come down to the bird paradise instead, where you can see all these beautiful birds. Right, Sharon?
Yes, we come down here every day, right?
That's right.
Okay, so Lynn, what's
Yes.
next?
Now, Sharon, did you know that Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's?
Really? You know what I love? I love produce.
And guess what? This segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Hello there. Well, everyone, this is Elmo, our beautiful Togo toucan, and also Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador, okay? So what Elmo will be doing right now is he is going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through the giant
toucans are known for their speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible that they can fly through the gaps in the forest like that gigantic fruit loop over there. Okay, Elmo, you fly back to Lynn. Okay, ready?
Come on. And there you go. Thank you very much, Alex, for sponsoring Wings of the World. Ciao, Elmo.
So, ladies and gentlemen, right now we are about to meet one of Singapore's most iconic species of bird. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the Oriental Pied Hornbill.
Now everyone, in Azam we have Olivia and Oriental Pied Hornbill. Olivia here has a heartwarming story. She fell out of the nest as a chick and hurt her spine. In the wild, Olivia would have not survived, but here at the paradise, she was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
And toucans and hornbills have two major differences. Toucans can be found in the South and Central American continent, while hornbills can only be found in Africa and in Asia. But hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their bills, and it's called a casque. It can be just a small ridge, or it can be big and brightly colored. Right, Lynn?
Yep, so is there anything else you can spot, Chabelle?
Oh, there's a lot on my list. Okay, let's talk about their feet. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, hornbills have three toes in front and broad soles. Toucans have two toes in front and two toes at the back. But both birds are great hoppers. Look at that. You give them the strength and the stability to jump up and down perches. Okay, Lynn, how about you share something else?
Huts. I remember this. Hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to toss food into their mouth. Okay, so let's check this out for Elmo first. Ready, Elmo?
Alright, now let's check this out for Olivia. Ready? Here you go. For hornbills, they are agile flyers, just like the toucans. But both birds can catch prey in mid-flight. Elmo is going to demonstrate this first.
Okay, Elmo, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Great catch!
And if you missed that, I'm going to get Olivia to show off her skills. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up, and away! Can you give a big round of applause for Olivia and Elmo, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you! Well, hornbills, they have a peculiar nesting behavior out there in the wild. They like to nest in tree hollows like that one right over there. Now here in Bird Paradise, we show you their nesting behavior without you leaving your seats. From smaller say, where did you come from?
Hey, Elmo!
Hello,
Is it a hornbill?
It's not a hornbill. Okay, I am now sharing about hornbills and toucans differences, okay? Okay, we're going to read Elmo back.
Yes.
I was happily building up for the next segment, alright? Okay, Elmo. That's what happens when you go with live animals, huh? You never know what's going to happen in the next segment. Really, working with live animals can be a great challenge. You gotta think out of the box sometimes.
You're all set.
Are you sure?
Yes, confirm.
100%? Okay, take 2. Ladies and gentlemen, from smaller species of hornbills, such as the Oriental Pied Hornbill, we're going to bring you a much larger one. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Vicky, a great pied hornbill! The great pied hornbills happens to be one of the largest species of hornbills found in the Southeast Asian region. In one of the places they can be found, namely in Borneo, in Indonesia, some of the tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over your village or over a certain area, they will bless you and will bring you good luck. Lynn, Vicky brought all of us blessings and good luck today.
Alright.
Okay, now the females are very fussy about her accommodation. It's gotta be big and must have a chimney so that she can escape if she needs to. But what happens next is that male hornbills will go over there and pass her mud. She'll mix the mud together with mashed fruits as well as her own droppings to create a strong seal. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her mate, shall we? Here comes Sunny, another great pied hornbill.
Whoa! for up to 4 months, Sunny will feed Vicky and the chicks through that small gap in the nest hole. So if you cannot see this loving gesture, let's watch this. Okay, so this right here is Vicky inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Oh, there she goes! And right now we have Sunny leading Vicky through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to all 62 different species of hornbills. And with that, can we give it up for Vicky and Sunny, African hornbills?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hornbills all over Asia and Africa are facing a major threat. For the critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction because of the solid cast, and they are known as the red ivory. Now what happened to the elephants are happening to the hornbills. That's why as a birder, I like to go to Mandai because Mandai supports and protects these endangered creatures. So ladies and gentlemen, trust me, as a birder, let me tell you this. It's best to see these animals in their natural habitat and in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hi everyone! My name is Sabrina from Mandai Bird Paradise. Now my team and I work very hard to keep our birds active, engaged, and enriched. Now in a very short while we're going to meet some little feathered friends of ours. So let's see, are you in position? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our beautiful Monias! Yeah. Okay, so see the device that they're holding on to, that's an enrichment device. Okay, it's called a monkey fist. Ropes tied into knots. Inside those knots are hidden some treats for our birds to find, also known as foraging. Now we use these kind of devices so that the birds can express their natural behaviors. So under the device, those are corneas, and corneas can be found in South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. There are more than 800,000 of these birds that are sold into pet trade. Because of that, there are more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. These birds are also social birds and they are happiest in flocks. Okay, so please do not keep them as pets. Alright, looks like they've done a wonderful job. Let's give them a big hand.
Thank you very much, Sabrina, for giving us some insights about enrichment for our resident corneas.
Well, you see, ladies and gentlemen, birds, they are everywhere. Well, they can be social or solitary. They can be loving and fiercely protective of their young. They are smart, they are agile. They're one of the strongest creatures on this planet. That's why I love traveling from continent to discover birds. You know what will be a dream come true? To see birds from all over the world right here, right now.
Well, you know what, Sharyl? I think your wish is about to come true.
Really?
Yes, let me show you. Go.
Okay. are inviting you to be on stage to take pictures with all these lovely birds right over there. Now this is for a limited time only. Once again, for a limited time only, we're going to have you on stage to take pictures with these beautiful birds. Now the cue starts from right here. My friend Amali from Digibook is waving his hands. The cue starts from here.